I think the possibility that they might make something we hate is incredibly exciting.
I love this idea that we have a certain amount of time and just go do it.
2 weeks starts now.
Yeah, okay.
Your 14 days starts now.
And your 2 weeks starts right now.
Good luck.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so the concept is, well, the song is very summery. It felt sort of like teen love. My location was the beach. Basically, the notion is that it's their last summer together.
So the song The Deacon is kind of like about, to me at least, it was about a street preacher. So I came up with an idea of the origins of a street preacher, someone who may or may not be on sort of the edge of sanity.
So the movie's about a hit. It's like a hit that's set on these two lounge singers who are at a bar. And when we go through the bar, we're gonna run into and get to know a few characters, all played by me and Sandra.
My concept was to present a portrait of Kensington Market and use this really funky, groovy song to kind of accentuate the energy.
This is Katie, by the way, and Katie co-wrote / mostly wrote the scripts.
Okay, when you're a student, right, it's like that you have so little perspective, and then we sort of took it a step further, going, okay, well, what if we made all the characters white and, you know, add that sort of like white privilege element to it.
Uh-oh. That's thunder.